Ready-to-use liquids as brick colorants or anti-scumming agents. An innovative solution with many benefits. Traditionally, brick makers have always used body colorants in powder form. These colorants are delivered in super sacks or 55-pound bags on pallets, and unloading requires significant labor time. To supply the production line with colorants, the operators must regularly empty the bags into a hopper. It's a delicate and sometimes dangerous operation, which often generates a lot of dust and requires the disposal of empty bags. The powder can also jam in the hopper, or the dosing screw, causing uneven dosing of the clay. This sometimes results in the batch of bricks that are not uniform. But another solution exists: liquid colorants. The liquid solution developed by KIMPE has a very high density. It is homogeneous and can be stored for up to 2 months without sedimentation. A quick mix is sufficient before use. It consists of 70% powdered colorant and only 30% water and additives. Its unloading is easy and requires very little manpower, just as its use, which also brings an increased precision of the dosing as well as a constant and homogeneous integration into the clay. The colorant is usually added at the same place as the water in the pug mill or in the double shaft mixer of the extruder. This process allows line-by-line specific dosing, increases flexibility, and reduces the equipment which has to be cleaned between each production campaign, and results in no dust, no mask, and a clean work environment, ensuring uniform production. The delivery option with a bulk tank truck allows a fully automated installation. Our liquid colorants can also be delivered in IBC totes that KIMPE will collect when they are empty for replenishment. Whichever option you choose, KIMPE will help you select and implement the equipment in your factory, and there will be practically no investment on your behalf. Our products have been available in liquid form for more than 20 years. Natural milled manganese ore and synthetic manganese oxide for dark or brown coloration. Natural milled chrome ore for gray coloration. Natural or synthetic iron oxide for red tones. Barium carbonate as an anti-scumming agent. Now let's focus on this specific product. Barium carbonate reacts with calcium sulfate in the clay to form insoluble compounds which cannot migrate to the surface of the brick during drying. When it is integrated as dry powder in the clay, its dosage, mixing, and dispersion are never complete or accurate, so operators tend to overdose the product. Most of the barium particles remain agglomerated despite the mixing operations, which greatly reduces the surface contact and therefore the reactivity to channel calcium sulfate present in the clay. Ready-to-use liquid barium carbonate, called K03, allows an optimal dispersion and integration of the barium particles in the clay. It drastically increases the surface contact between the barium carbonate particles and the calcium sulfate to take advantage of the maximum reactivity of the product. Using a pump to dose the liquid barium carbonate allows an accurate and reliable addition, significantly reducing the quantities used. Thanks to its own fully equipped laboratory and extensive knowledge, KIMPE develops customized new body pigments and additives for our clients. We also perform free analysis of sulfates content of your clay in order to establish the proper amount of barium carbonate to be added. By using KIMPE colorant in liquid form, you will remove dust, have a cleaner work environment, get very accurate dosing, improve the quality of your bricks, reduce labor cost, and make significant savings. We look forward to hearing from you.